Hello everyone, welcome to another video. If you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button now for weekly dope tech. I was looking for a tripod and I got this cheap mini octopus tripod for $3. But if you buy it online, you can find it a lot more cheaper. It comes with a box, and on the box it has all the features that I will explain you later on the video. When you open the box, you will find the stick and the camera holder. These are the two main parts of the tripod, and I think it will be easy to set it up. Inside the stick bag you will find the instructions, which are not in English, so we don't need them. While I set it up, I will show you some of the features this product has. It is made of hard plastic and has complete flexibility. Non-slip design for better protections of your phone and camera. It's universal and it can be directly connected to the camera, phone clip, adapter, etc. It can be used as a mobile phone, tripod, single handle and iPad stand. The stick is made of sponge and it's a good quality sponge. It has a 360-degree ball head for multi-angle shooting. Connecting your phone or your camera is very easy. You can adjust the tripod as you like, and you can use it for video recording or vlogs. I forgot to say that it has these things that make it stable and your phone won't fall. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe, and I will catch you next time.